You know, Callie, Napoleon has some really cool grills, but I don't need all that fancy lighting and stuff. All I need is a grill that's going to be easy to use, cook up a great meal fast, and last for a long time. What should I look at? Great question, Simple Griller. If there's one thing that you can always count on at Napoleon, is quality engineering and a great grilling experience. So if that's your ask of a grill, then allow me to introduce you to the durability and grilling performance of the Rogue series. Now the Rogue is actually a 3-part series. What I have in front of me today is a Rogue 1, but we also have the Rogue XT and the Rogue SE. I don't have those to show you today. I'll talk a little bit about them, but if you want to see them side by side, there's a great video put out by Embers Living in the Denver metro area, and I will link to them in the comments of this video. Now I do want to show you around this grill and show you what makes it such a quality grill, but I'll tell you, you don't even have to be able to look at the grill to tell whether it's a quality manufacturing job or not. You can just take a look at the warranty. And I'm so excited to tell you, Napoleon has just upgraded its entire warranty system. So whereas the Rogue has always had a 15-year overall warranty, we have recently upgraded it so that every single piece of this grill, down to the tiniest screw, is warranted for the full 15 years. So that tells you just how long we expect this grill to be able to last for you. With that, let's take a look at what makes it so that we can back our grill with that kind of a warranty. Let's get started. One thing you'll notice about the design of any Napoleon gas grill is the closed cart design. In addition to being kind of aesthetically pleasing to most people, there are two things that the closed cart design helps with, and that is hiding the propane tank and hiding a thing called the grease tray. This is a grease tray, and this is ultimately where most water burns off food, mostly grease will fall down into the grill. So this keeps this safe from 4-legged creatures, maybe some 2-legged creatures too. Just makes it a little bit more difficult for them to access things. Easy for you to clean out, nice and easy access all around. So closed cart design. And while I'm down here, let me show you one other thing. Another thing you'll find in all Napoleon gas grills is a removable drip pan. This makes it nice and easy to clean your grill. You don't have a whole lot of flare-ups if you don't have a whole lot of grease or sauce or whatever falling down and potentially being able to briefly catch on fire. So this removable drip pan is a really easy way to keep your grill nice and clean and well maintained. Another important thing for maintaining your grill and making sure that it lasts a long time is being able to brush down the grates regularly. So if you need a nice handy place to keep your grill brush or other grill tools, integrated tool hooks right here on the side of the side shelf. And while we're over here, take a look at this special feature that is specific to the Rogue: 2 folding side shelves. Great for storing your grill. So that's all storage and design functionality on a Rogue, but let's get to the cooking experience, because that's really why you bought the grill, right? My favorite thing about every Napoleon gas grill is its instant Jetfire ignition system, which means one hand, one knob, one burner. Simple delight. Just make sure your gas source is flowing first. And if you are brand new to gas grills, I will link to a video where I show you how to get the fuel source, the propane tank, hooked up and flowing. Another really great feature of the instant Jetfire ignition system is crossover lighting, which means that if you are grilling and the wind happens to blow out one of your burners, the rest of the burners that are on will relight that burner, and you probably won't even know that anything happened in the first place. So the instant Jetfire ignition system and burners make the Napoleon cooking experience simple and easy. And just a couple of things for me to point out inside the grill. For one thing, something you'll notice on any Napoleon gas grill that you have wavy cooking grids. And this is partly to help disperse the heat and partly to help keep the food from falling between the grates. So if you think about cooking asparagus, it's going to have a lot harder time falling in between the grates. One thing that you'll notice about all of the grates on our gas grills are that they're nice and heavy. Some of them have cast iron, some of them have stainless steel. If you're wondering if one is better than the other, the answer is no. There are advantages and disadvantages to both. Napoleon, the main Napoleon YouTube channel actually has a really nice video on helping you know which kind of grates are better and how to maintain the different grates. I will link to that in the comments as well. And then the last thing I'll just give you a glimpse of inside the grill is these stainless steel sear plates. And these are designed to help protect the burners and keep you from having flare-ups because sauce or whatever is just falling into the burners. But the other thing that they do is help create a nice even cooking surface. One thing I will tell you about our entire burner and cooking system is that no matter whether you were looking at a Rogue or a Prestige or a Prestige Pro, it's all the same as far as the cooking system goes. So you can count on a really easy, simple, and fun cooking experience no matter which Napoleon grill you're looking at. So with all of this quality engineering that goes into our Rogue One, our most basic grill, what more could you look for in the next grill, the Rogue XT? For the most part, it's going to be color and fuel source options. So whereas the Rogue One comes exclusively in black, in the Rogue XT you can get it in black or stainless. There are also more options for natural gas in that lineup. And one really fun feature that you can get in the RXT series is you can get our famous infrared searing station, which reaches 1800 degrees in 30 seconds. So if you're thinking you might like to try your hand at high heat grilling, definitely consider the Rogue XT with its infrared sizzle zone built into the left-hand side shelf. And yes, it still folds down on the Rogue XT. You get a lot with this grill. Okay, so far we've talked about the Rogue, or the Rogue One, the Rogue XT, or RXT, and the last lineup of the Rogue series that I want to talk to you about is the RSE, Rogue Special Edition. This grill actually starts to have a lot in common with the Prestige lineup in that it comes standard with the same kind of infrared sear station as the Prestige. It's a little bit bigger and beefier than the one that comes on the Rogue XT. That means that that left side shelf doesn't fold down. So if that's an important feature to you, that both of the side shelves fold down, that's not going to be the grill for you. Another thing that you get on the Rogue SE is that it comes with the rear burner, which is where you would mount a rotisserie if you wanted to do that. So just a couple of specialized cooking features that come on the Rogue SE. It's available exclusively in stainless steel, and it has both propane and natural gas options. All right, you've made it to the end of the video, so I'm just gonna quick recap everything that we've gone over so that you can decide which Rogue is right for you. So again, the Rogue series are Rogue One, RXT, and RSE. The Rogue One, some of the things that you'll get in the Rogue and really any Napoleon gas grill. Closed cart design for storage of the propane tank and the grease tray and a certain aesthetic that a lot of people are looking for. Instant Jetfire ignition for a simple light. Integrated tool hooks for convenient storage of grill tools. Removable drip pan for easy grill maintenance. A nice even cooking surface and crossover lighting system to ensure that your entire grill surface burns reliably and consistently. And lastly, folding side shelves, and that is unique to the Rogue in that both of the side shelves fold down. Great for storage in a small space. Options that you add when you go to the RXT are stainless steel housing, more options for natural gas, and the option of that 1800 degree side infrared sizzle zone. And then when you go to the Rogue SE, you get the beefier side infrared burner, the infrared burner for rotisserie, so just some specialized cooking devices. And lastly, the Rogue SE comes exclusively in stainless steel, and that includes the grates as well. And remember, with our new 15-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, Every single part of a Rogue grill is warranted for the full 15 years, and you can count on a simple, easy, convenient cooking experience with your Napoleon Rogue. Upgrade your grilling game.